fraud, someone going to the hospital with your medical information. So now when we take our children there, we're being prescribed something that we're allergic to because someone has infected our medical records. So all these different areas of identity theft, Prepaid Legal does monitoring, proactive searches in your database so that when something happens, they can alert you and let you know right away what's going on. But not only alert you, because monitoring alone is not enough. Here's what makes us so different with the company Crow, the leading risk management company in the world. We go in with a limited power of attorney with you or for you to restore your identity for you. And this is powerful for an additional $9.95 a month. And so we're able to protect your family for about $35.95 a month. Again, about a bottled water a day, you have access to everything we went over. So now you understand why we're growing so fast, because you can't go anywhere else and get this. Typically in marketing, you got to convince someone that, hey, my vitamins are better than your vitamins. My long distance is better than your long distance. My cell phones are better than your cell phones. But the great thing about what we're doing right now is that there's nowhere else to go except us. And not only that, but more folks will hear about this than ever before because of our connection with the Blast Off Network. And so to talk about how we're going to get paid, how this is going to be extremely lucrative for those who are looking for either one, additional income, or two, full-time income, so that you can support your financial future by building your own business, a free enterprise system here with Prepaid Legal Services and Blast Off. I'm going to reintroduce you to one of the top executives in Prepaid Legal Services, Mr. Brian Carruthers.
So now that you've heard a little bit about Prepaid Legal Services, the strength of the company, the massive need in the marketplace that the product is satisfying, and now you probably now know why we're signing up tens of thousands of new Prepaid Legal members per month. And now I want to talk to you about how you can also generate an income from telling people about Prepaid Legal Services in the Identity Theft Shield. The bottom line is you pay a simple registration fee to get started as a Prepaid Legal Associate. Now every time you go out and share the information with somebody, you can have them take a look at a DVD, watch a video presentation like this. You can actually sit down with them and go through the information with them. Have it go even on your website when they want to sign up for Prepaid Legal. They basically pay $35.95. For their first month of the Prepaid Legal Plan and the Identity Theft Shield, $35.95 plus a $10 one-time enrollment fee. And when they pay that $46, the company's going to pay you a commission of anywhere from $34 at the beginning. After you market a few people the membership, or as you sign up and start to build a team, then you're going to be able to generate an income from starting at $34. You can immediately increase it to $138, up to $172. Up to $207, up to well over $252 in commission paid daily, wired in your bank account for each membership that you personally go out and introduce. So think about this. You tell somebody about a $46 membership that they pay $46 to set up for themselves. They pay $46 and you're making anywhere from $34 up to $252. What other company out there in North America will offer you an opportunity on a $46 transaction to pay you any more than $5, $10, or maybe $15, much less $34 to $252? That's the first way we get paid. Is called the upfront commissions, advanced commissions. The second way we get paid is called overrides. Just like a manager in a car dealership will get paid an override when a salesperson sells you a car. Just like a real estate broker gets an override when a realtor sells you a house. You're going to get a broker type override every time somebody that you introduce to the business goes out and tells somebody about the membership and they sign up. And that override could be anywhere from $34 to $69 to $103, up to well over $217 in an override check will arrive into your bank account every time somebody on the team you developed signs up somebody else for the membership. So you're getting paid when you're signing people up. You're getting paid when others are signing people up. The third way we get paid is called residual income. This is the most empowering, most important reason why I got involved in this business in the first place. It's called residuals, the passive, long-term, ongoing, perpetuitous income that will keep coming in even when you're not working anymore. What do I mean by that? How does it work? Well, not only the memberships that you signed up, but also on all the memberships your entire team that you develop signs up. You not only get paid the huge upfront advance commission and overrides, but you also get paid a monthly percentage, a percentage off those monthly membership fees from everybody getting the legal plan and the Identity Theft Shield month after month, year after year, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years from now. Can you imagine getting paid monthly off of something you did one time today that maybe took you 10 minutes to do it? I've met people in Prepaid Legal Services, especially it was so impressive when I first joined the company a few years ago. I met people who had gotten involved in the business in the 70s and 80s. and signed people up for the services back then and are still getting paid today 2 and 3 decades later. So can you imagine getting a huge upfront commission, long-term residuals, getting paid daily, a lot of other perks and things we don't have enough time to talk about, the car bonuses, the annual paid vacations and so forth, but the opportunity exists right now for you to position yourself in the relaunch. This is a relaunch of the 37-year-old company. The company's already broken all kinds of records, been written up in all those magazines and newspapers, been touted as one of the top performing companies of all public companies in North America over the last 15 years. And here we are, we're relaunching using Blastoff Network as our new platform to go from tens of thousands of memberships being signed up a month. We're actually going to take this to the millions, to the masses, a household name Prepaid Legal is about to become. And you can actually get registered right now in Prepaid Legal Services. You pay a simple little fee to get started in Prepaid Legal. That will then allow you to become a Blastoff distributor, if you will, a representative of Blastoff, to be able to use a Blastoff platform to go out and spread virally to everybody you know in your contact database, and all their contacts, and all their contacts, and all their contacts, as they're all out there signing up for Blastoff, and then coming in the back door into Prepaid Legal Services to sign up for our membership. We're going to have Prepaid Legal will be on people's home pages. Everybody's homepage is going to have Prepaid Legal staring them in the face every single day. It's a match made in heaven. It's a marketing powerhouse. A financial windfall basically the door is open for anybody that is smart enough to position themselves to profit right now. So get back to the person who shared this video with you. Have them share with you how quickly you can get signed up for Blastoff and Prepaid Legal, and we look forward to changing many, many lives.